how to detect a music on Shazam app. Well, as you guys have heard that it's an app where let's say you are out somewhere at a noisy place and when a really cool song comes along but you have never heard it before and you don't know the name of the song or the artist of the song, then this is what this app is gonna help you about. Well, let's see the steps on how to detect the music. So the very first step is to open your application Shazam. You can easily get this application from Play Store or an App Store. So when you open the application, you'll be landing on this page. So in order for this application to detect the music, click on this icon. It will start to analyze and detect the song that's playing around you. You need to wait for a while. There you go, the song has been detected by this application successfully. Well, if you click on this three dot, you'll be able to open your music from your Spotify or the Apple Music. Well, this is it for today, and this was the simple process on how to detect a song using Shazam app. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.